Welcome to my channel Veer Shaurya Learning Lab.
I hope you're doing well. So, I'm making a garbage truck with a big dump on the back, and we can put all the bad things like paper. And this is the load. It must be braked. That's why I will make. So, let's start making. First, we will, and this is the the base is already done. Now, let's make the walls and put the red piece. Now, I will put this piece here. And now I will make the same part. That's why we put this here and this. Now these parts are left. The yellow one will come here and the red one will come here. Now I will put the gate section. It's very big and the gate section is too much big, and I will put total like this. Means like this. Now the gate is done. I will make this is the locker. First I will connect this dump here with the help of this black beam. The black beam is here. You can't see it, it's too dark. So now guys, I will connect it like this and put this dump into the upside, and I will push it down this black piece. It's pushed. Now I will push this blue and this yellow piece that is down here. Now it's totally looking good. I will put this here and I will make this downwards, and that's right. Now it's connected. Now I will put this blue piece inside to make this upper. Now downward will be like a ramp. That's why I'll put this piece inside, and you can see it. It's here, and now it's like this. Now I will put this down and like this. So I will. I'm connecting this. Now the black piece is tightly connected here. Push this piece up. Now time. Now the last piece is the locker. First I will connect this here. Connected with this orange piece. Zoom out. So now guys, this is the final piece, and I will show you how the gates open. First we will put the invention gate, that is the garbage open gate. Now I will put this down to make the garbage all down, and now I will make this piece up and connect it with the blue piece and close the shut, and the truck will go forward and smash the share button. Now guys, the invention is done. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and smash the share button and for more videos. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.